What's going on, guys? Today, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of ChatGPT with 5 different ideas and examples. I was recently blown away when it helped me with a very specific coding challenge I was facing, and I've been using it a lot more ever since. So first up, ChatGPT can be great for planning your day. I'll just paste this prompt here. It says, plan out my day tomorrow. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. and work 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. from home. I want to design in Figma, do some coding, learn about AI, and spend some time with my girlfriend at the end of the day. We go to bed around 11 p.m. You'll see it gives me this detailed schedule. Including all the things that I want to get done that day. So 6:30, get up, have a morning routine, engage in your morning routine, such as brushing your teeth, taking a shower, having breakfast. From 7 to 8, the Figma design, and 8 to 9, do some coding, 9 to 5, work. 5 to 6, AI learning, 6 to 7, dinner, 7 to 9, quality time with the girlfriend, 9 to 11, wind down and relax, and 11, bedtime. Very cool. And another cool thing you can do is you can also iterate on that. So, for example, let's say I forgot that I want to go to the gym also. You can say, oh, I also want an hour for going to the gym. And then apologies for the oversight, which it wasn't, but still it'll give you a updated schedule, including gym time. So very cool. Another thing you can do is you can have it summarize YouTube videos. So we have this about 10-minute video, anatomy of a perfect morning routine. You can go to these 3 dots here, click show transcript, and then you can click these 3 dots, toggle timestamps, and you can copy all of this text, go back over to ChatGPT, and you can just say, summarize this transcript. Shift enter, go down. I don't know if you need to do that, but then just paste in all of that text. And then it instantly, the transcript discusses the importance of having a well-calibrated morning routine. The speaker shares his personal experiences and provides tips on how to create a custom morning routine. He emphasizes the need to avoid checking the phone first thing in the morning and instead focus on setting intentions for the day. Making the bed is highlighted as a small win that can set a positive tone for the day. The importance of staying hydrated and choosing nutritious breakfast options is mentioned. He also emphasizes the benefits of incorporating mobility exercises and stretching into the morning routine. Mindfulness practices such as meditation are recommended for mental clarity and focus. The transcript concludes with the importance of reflection and setting intentions for the day through journaling and visualization. Overall, the transcript provides a comprehensive guide to creating a productive and positive morning routine. And then you can ask it more about it, like did it mention how long the morning routine should last? The transcript does not explicitly mention a specific duration of the morning routine. However, the speaker mentions that incorporating all the elements he discusses into his routine currently takes him about an hour. It's worth noting that the length of a morning routine can vary depending on the individual preferences, schedules, and available time. The important aspect is to prioritize and include activities that contribute to a positive start of the day. So this technique is great because now you also have notes from the video that you can look back to and reference. ChatGPT is also great for listing out pros and cons. So for example, you could ask, what are the pros and cons of buying a house? So then you have your pros, and then you have your cons. Long-term investment for the pros, stability and security, customization, tax benefits, sense of ownership. Cons are the financial commitment, the upfront costs, limited mobility, maintenance and repairs, market fluctuations. And so it's good at kind of giving lists of the good and the bad. Another thing, you can also ask it to come up with an exercise regimen that fits your needs. You can also do this with a diet and even have it put together a grocery list for you. So I'll say, give me an at-home exercise routine for 5 days a week. I'll say I have 2 25-pound dumbbells. Start listing out the different days, the different exercises equipped with the sets and reps of each. So you have the full body workout, lower body, upper body. Very cool. And then, you can even ask it like, what are goblet squats? Type of squat exercise that can be performed with a dumbbell or a kettlebell. Here's how to do goblet squats. And it'll give you a very detailed step-by-step on how to do a goblet squat. And even tells you what it targets: quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core muscles. It can also help improve lower body strength, stability, and mobility. Start with a lighter weight and gradually increase as you become more comfortable with the movement. So very helpful and very cool. Then I have to include one for my web developer audience. You can ask it pretty much anything coded related. It'll even give you coding examples with the explanation, which is awesome. But I really liked this simple question that saved me a bunch of time, thinking, and overthinking. I just asked it, what's a good database schema for the following tables: users, friends, posts, comments, and likes. And it'll even list what's the primary key, so the users, you have the user ID, the primary key, username, email, password. You got a friends table where you have the friend ID as the primary key, and then the user ID, which is a foreign key referencing the users table, and then the friend user ID. So you have the user and then they're friends with a friend, which is also another user. User ID for the post, on whose post it is, all of that, and then gives you a nice explanation. In the friends table, the user ID and friend user ID columns reference the users table to establish a connection between two users who are friends. And so you might want to touch it up to, hit your exact needs, but this can save you a ton of time and might already be good to go even. So very powerful. And there you have it. 5 great ways to use ChatGPT. I'm going to keep using it, and I'll share some more good ideas as I come across them. Let us know in the comments some of the cool ways that you're using it. And if you haven't already, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more. And thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next one.